Darling.
Darling. Darling. I want you to trust me. Is there anything you are not telling me?
My love, I have nothing to hide. If there is anything, you will be the first to know.
But that pastor, the pastor, he said you are responsible for our condition. And I'm not the one that brought him in the first place. You did.
I apologize for that. Next time, I will not disobey you.
Honey, I am your husband. And I love you so much. I deserve the right to know if there is anything going on. Why will he say you are responsible for our childlessness?
That is because he was compromised.
Compromised?
Yes. He was compromised by your mother. Remember, your mother blames me for all our problems. So there is a possibility that he was told what to say to me.
My mother is not a fan of pastors. If she was, you already know that you will be the first person that she will drag down to them. Just talk to me. If there is any, just tell me.
Honey, please. Please. Can we drop this topic? I would really like to catch some sleep. Please.
How am I supposed to explain this? Oh God. Oh God. How am I supposed to reveal a terrible part?
You must know that these so-called pastors, most of them, trust me, are home destroyers.
No. This one isn't. He sounded very convincing. Like he didn't mince words when he told my wife that she's the reason for our childlessness. It all makes sense.
It doesn't. Trust me. Don't you think he was acting up from a script? A well-arranged script so as to bring problem between you and your wife?
Whose script?
Your mom, maybe?
Excuse me. Hello? What? Okay. I'm on my way.
Marian, you are leaving this house today. And what you feel with Delia? Marian, able darkness. Darkness and light and love. Marian, you are leaving my son's house today. You're leaving today. Can you feel about you? Would you want to get to personal? I want to tell my grandchildren. Yeah? Or Sasa, whatever they call you. Come in.
Ma?
Come here.
What?
Come here. Now, madam. See these things, eh? You will take them to the gate. Your madam is leaving this house today.
Okay, now this ones you dash me.
Yes, I said carry them to the gate. And from the gate, she's moving. You understand? She moves from the gate. On your neighbor. Go and find out who is at the gate. Also,
Take your hands out of the bag. Okay, come. Mama, what do you think you're doing?
am doing? I am pushing your wife out of this house. Since she has refused to confess her atrocities against God. Can't you see what is going on? She's rubbing off her curse on us.
Mama, no one made you a judge. No one made you a judge. Until she's proven guilty, my wife remains innocent.
Can I judge again? See, I am the judge in this situation. Your wife is leaving whether you like it or not.
Mama, my place is with my wife. And if you don't like it, be ready to go back to the village and leave us the hell alone.
I swear. About what I say?
Osas, come here. I said to come here. Where? Come here. Come here. Carry this bag, see.
Out.
I said, come and carry this. Carry this bag. Come on. Mama, I don't like what you're doing.
Hey.
Mama. Osas. Carry
it out. Okay. Osas.
Mama,
inside.
Mama, I don't like what you're doing. Mama, Osas. Mama.
Osas, carry this one.
Honey, you here?
Where was I supposed to be?
You know Osas called me about Mama throwing your luggage outside. What happened? Were you two in a fight?
You know me better than that. I want a divorce.
What? A divorce? What do you mean? How can you be so selfish to bail out on me like that?
Your mother wants me out of your life. So I want to take the easy way. I want to leave so that you have the chance to bring in another woman.
I am not married to my mother! I know what you're trying to do. That pastor was right. You know something. You are part of our problem and now you want to run off with your tail between your legs.
That's not true.
Shoot yourself! Maria! Shoot yourself! I'm tired! I am tired! Tired! Everyone in this house!
I always knew she was a problem. From the first day she stepped into my house, I went to see electric shock. And that confirmed it. As for her smiles, hey, all her smiles are fake. F-A-K-E.
So, what was your son's reaction when he found out about the revolution?
Hey! My son's reaction was something else. As I was throwing out her bags, my son came and was fighting me. I knew what I need your money. At one point he said to me, Mama, instead of my darling wife Miriam to leave Mama in our village, I think a long jelly and told me.
Has it gotten to that?
It has gotten to that.
Hey! Save your son. Save your son. Except you want your husband's village to close. Save your son. Do something before it is too late.
Save my son. Do something like.
How am I supposed to explain this? Oh God, oh God. How am I supposed to reveal a terrible past? Shimo Atokwaramata. know. I never knew it would be like this. Ana meche kwana nchegari me mechigoku. Oh, Chino, where are you? Come to my aid.
What is going on here?
Well, sit down. Sit down.
I have decided to tell you the story. It all started 3 years into our marriage. We had just visited your parents.
Oh, 3 years, 1, 2, 3. 3 years of marriage, right? Your madam is yet to get pregnant. I'm only from Nigeria. Wait. 3 years of marriage. Can't you are you waiting for your father and I to die first before you people give us grandchildren? Eh?
I'm making me chicken on. Me chicken on. What is your concern? Eh? Why don't you go inside and get yourself busy? At least for once.
Mama, we are working on it. We have seen doctors who certified us healthy and fit to conceive children. We are working on it.
You are saying doctors. Doctors get show you where if you are to see me for your wife to get pregnant. The doctor should show you the way. Nam, Ago begets Ago. A lion begets a lion, not a fowl. If you don't Nayaba, oh dog won't carry a kanji kumakia. 1 week. It took him 1 week or what to him. Kuzania in Kegima. It's taking you 3 years and how many months to get your wife pregnant? Nakuya. Menopause will soon set in.
Mama, you can now.
Mba, check and kucha. Imife menopause. Eh? Pause obo. Amosina. Okochiko.
Eh? Why are you bent on making my children uncomfortable? Why do you want to make their life miserable? Because just go inside now and get something for us to eat. Wine. I want gallon wine.
Hey! Oh, this is a young Millie. Hey! And I'm like, the apple in there. Makanya Millie to cut the very thick. Yaka back in chicken person. But I have a just only person. No, you block a small shoe. This is never that. You know what that cheap at that for peace. Nonsense.
About Subero, go on here. Give me a message. Eh? I'm looking at me.
Papa, it's okay. It's okay.
My daughter, please don't take this to heart, okay? You know?
It's fine, Papa. Were you able to secure the land we discussed? Did Nkoyi agree to sell?
Yes, he did. But don't worry, my son, okay? Don't worry, everything will be okay.
What is going Maggie? I'm not being secure than the vision. You can't secure the land.
Why you made it after what you see? What is your problem? Let me be. Hi.
She already gave up on me. She made me feel less a person. Not fair.
I have pleaded with you never to take the words of my mother to heart. I am your husband. I love you. And that's all that matters. My place and my heart are with you. Nothing my mother says will change that. Marianne, I love you. I love you so much. And it's not going to change now. Please. Please be strong, my love. Be strong. Be strong, my love.
Hello, Papa.
Hello.
Papa, good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, my daughter. How are you and your family?
We are fine. How is Mama?
Mama is fine. She's fine. She left for the market early this morning.
Okay.
Marianne, please, I want you to come to the village, just you alone. Come to the home alone, yes. I have something very important to discuss with you, just you alone.
Papa, I hope there's no problem.
My daughter. Must everything be bad before I speak with my daughter? Everything is alright, my child.
Alright, Papa. If you say so, I will get dressed and come immediately.
Thank you. Thank you so much, my daughter.
Take care of yourself. Papa, I must say, you're looking very good. You're looking younger by the day. I mean, you're bouncing.
You are very funny, my daughter. Bouncing is for people of your age mates. I'm an old man, a fragile man. My daughter, when you wake up, it becomes your morning. But hear me out today. You will have lots and lots of children in this your womb. Just believe the words that I've said today. You will have children.
Thank you. Thank you for your word of encouragement. You are like the father that I never had.
And I will forever continue to be your father. I will be your father, Marianne. But, my daughter, do me one favor.
Okay.
Do not allow my wife, do not give her the opportunity to make life miserable and unbearable for you. Did you hear me?
Yes, Mama.
Now, take this bead and wear it around your waist, and all shall be well with you.
I should wear these beads around my waist?
Yes, my daughter.
Papa, I don't mean to reject this, but I don't like beads. I mean, I don't like wearing beads. I feel that people that wear it are not normal.
Marianne, don't you trust me, your father-in-law? You don't trust me?
I trust you, Papa. You are my father-in-law, so I trust you so much.
Then do as I say. Wear the beads around your waist and things will begin to turn around for good for you. Wear the beads, Marianne.
Who's calling by this time? Hello? Yes? What? When? Okay.
Honey, who is that?
My father is dead.
What did you say?
My father is dead.
This is not what we discussed. This is what you have always wanted. Baba Ikenna has gone and you didn't give him a grandchild. Hey!
Mama, that's too harsh. Our childlessness is not Marianne's fault.
Hey! Oh, my fault! Oh, my fault!
Mama, please stop talking like this. I loved Papa.
You loved him.
And my childlessness is not my fault, Mama. It's not my fault.
No!
This is too bad. My darling, you must have been through a lot.
That is an understatement. I wanted the ground to open so I could fall inside. Like, I wanted to disappear into the thin air. If you see my mother-in-law's eyes, I mean, it was blazing of fire and hatred for me. I wanted to go to her and plead with her and tell her to be patient with God, but, my dear,
I don't understand something. Why this hatred? Why?
I don't know. Honestly, I don't know.
What is that?
What? Oh, okay. It's a bead. My father-in-law gave it to me days before his death. And he made me promise him that I would wear it.
Why?
I don't know, but he said if I trust him, then I should wear it.
Okay then, you should try it. I'm sure he had a reason for that. Just try it.
The problem is, I don't really like beads. I mean, I'm not a fan. I feel like girls that wear beads are either wayward, fetish, or they do girls.
That's not true. Well, I still think you should try it on. Yeah, it looks fine. It suits you.
You think?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I can't believe I'm laughing. I mean, my mother-in-law dealt with me.
Oh, for real, it's not funny. I don't like the way she treats you.
Oh my goodness.
Take this bead and wear it around your waist, and all shall be well with you.
Why does Papa want me to wear this bead around my waist? Well, I'm going to wear this only on one condition. For the memories. Why go on this trip now when there is a lot to do around here?
It's just for 3 days. After the signing on Monday, I'll take the connecting flight back. Just to get back to you.
I can't wait.
I'm going to miss you too.
I miss you, Mom. I'm already missing you.
Don't miss me too much.
I'll try not to.
How do you feel, my daughter?
Papa, is this really you? How is it? You are dead. I mean, you are supposed to be dead. How is it possible that you are here, you are alive, and you're looking younger?
You brought me back.
Me? How?
That won't be necessary now. You're so beautiful. Very, very beautiful.
How is this possible? Is this a dream? Am I dreaming?
There is only one way to find out. Just one way, my daughter.
Say.
Mama, calm down. Calm down. Why must you always scream over any little thing?
You call this little? Mama, did you call this little? She brings in my husband into this on a little. Come on. Wherever you get your clothes, go and collect them. Why would she bring in my late husband into her life spree?
Madam, calm down. Just calm down. What she's saying concerns you and your son. Just calm down.
Pastor, see, let me just tell you the truth. Eh? First thing tomorrow morning, I am leaving this house.
No, you don't have to leave. Let's hear her. Keep talking. We're hearing you.
What I did was despicable. I already begged God for forgiveness. I never knew that I would be taken back to what I have long forgotten.
My dear, there's no way you can move on, you know. There's no way you can move on while you're still stuck in the sins of the past. This is your chance at redemption. Take advantage of that. Do you understand me?
Pastor, yes, I'm hearing you. I don't understand.
You do. You do. Just that you have not heard the whole story. Your late father continues to visit and sleep with me in different places. Even in your presence then. Until
you're pregnant. I cannot believe this. Ah, finally! Finally! You're pregnant. You see, I told you. We've only got to believe in God. We've only got to believe in God.
You said so, and I believed, and now we are going to be married.
Oh, Father Lord, this calls for celebration, my Lord. This calls for celebration. I can't wait. I can't wait to celebrate my lovely wife to the entire world. My lovely pregnant wife. My love, my love, my love. We're going out. We're going out.
Easy, take it easy. Take it easy, you're practically going crazy.
I'm crazy! I am crazy! Do you know what this means? Do you know what this means? All the side talks, all the rumor mongers, they will crush and die! Oh Father, it is you! Oh Father! Father, it is you! It is you that have done it! Oh my Lord, we are going out! We are going out! Oh God! God, yes, good. God, you are excellent. Oh, God. I can't wait to celebrate. Oh, God, you are so good. God, you are excellent. Oh, God, you are wonderful. Excellent is your name. Excellent. I love you. I love you. We're going out. We're going to celebrate. Oh my Lord. Go and get dressed. Go and get dressed. Oh God. God. Oh God. Oh Father. Yes. Yes. I'm going to be a father. I am going to be a father. I am going to be a father. I am a man. Oh God, thank you. Who did it? Hey, who did that? Who did that? Ah, Mama, the Mama. Mama, Lima. Yeah. Ah, Mama, the Mama. Hey, Mama, welcome. Hey, how are you? Mama, I hope my son is in. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mama. He can hear. Mama. Mama, welcome.
Look at you.
Welcome.
I decided to come and see what God has done here. Campbell, eyewitness.
Hey, Mama. God Almighty has been good, so good to my wife and I.
Hey, that is good to hear. So that means all my prayers, my tears and sleepless nights have all been taken care of.
Yes, amen. Mama, welcome.
Hello.
Mama, I don't know where I go put this bag. Oh.
You don't know. Give her for my head.
Mama, you don't stand well.
Will you take that bag inside?
Mama, I love this. Now, I'll just say inside. You say for your head.
Look at this food. Mama, go. What about me? Everything is now okay. Mama, I'm sorry. Thanks for you. I'm so happy that you're here. Hey!
What? You mean you've been having an affair with a dead man? A ghost? And now you're pregnant for him?
I am pregnant for my husband, Sandra. The same blood runs through them.
Oh, please. No blood runs in the ghost. Miriam, you know you're my friend. Tell me the truth. Are you having an affair outside your home and now you're bringing up this ghost story to cover it up?
Really? Extramarital affair? Come on, babes. You're supposed to be my best friend. I mean, you know what I can do. I can never. Let me show you something. Here. I want you to wear it.
No, I don't want to.
Sandra, trust me. Put it on. Come on, I just want to show you something. Please, wear it. I can't harm you. Please, just wear it. Go ahead. Okay.
So?
Shh. Calm down. Looking at me like that, as if you have seen a ghost.
Of course I have seen a ghost. Miriam, what do you think you're doing? Sleeping with a ghost? A dead man.
Well, to me, Sandra, he's not a ghost. He's not dead. At least I've been given a chance to prove that I am a real woman. With this bundle of joy right here.
You know you sure this thing you're carrying there is a baby? Miriam, how did you get yourself into this?
The bead. You just saw the illustration.
Oh, Miriam, this is bad. You're my friend and I must tell you you are treading on dangerous ground. You cannot have this child, it's evil.
Why? Why can't I have my child? I am tired of all the humiliations and troubles, especially from my mother-in-law. All the sleepless nights, all the humiliations constantly replaying on my head. This is my chance to get back at my mother-in-law. This is the only response I have for her. And now you're saying I can't... Why can't I have my baby? Excuse me. Please. Where are you going to?
Miriam, I'm going to report to your husband about this sacrilege that you have involved yourself into. He needs to know the truth. And I can never cover up for you on this.
Sandra, you wouldn't dare.
Watch me.
I thought you said she relocated abroad. Tell me. Tell me what happened to the pregnancy. Because I know what she said happened to the pregnancy. Tell me!
I terminated it.
What?
After killing my friend, her words began to keep me awake. I had to do something. And I also disposed of the beads.
Where?
We have reached your response! Talk!
I traded it with a jeweler. I wonder why he liked it.
You traded it with a jeweler? See, we must have to find that bead and return it to wherever your father-in-law got it from. Otherwise, your mother-in-law, this your husband and yourself will die. What? That's true. Pastor. No amount of prayers or faith can save you.
Cut orange for me.
Share this one. I know now. Chai, customer.
Cut am where now?
They cut.
Cut am again, cut am. Cut am where?
Cause you are my customer. Anything for you, anything.
Thank you.
May I put more?
Very. No worry me. This orange not sweet. I not pay for this one. No.
It's orange.
Why they call my name now? I know you before.
You work with my son on SARS.
Me, I work with your son. That means you mean my oga. You will be born my oga. Come. I beg, tell this man when they disturb me say I not get joy. This is your neighbor.
I don't even understand what you are saying. Which man? Me, I just stay here alone.
This man, you know they see me.
Don't be you, be this.
If you they see me, you supposed to see this man now.
Which one? It is not possible. She cannot see me. I want you to take a message to my son.
You know they see him.
I beg, I don't want that one. Just give me my money.
But you they see me.
Don't be you they stand here.
And you know they see me.
Take a message to my son, Osas.
Oga, empty, I beg, I don't die. Ghost! Oga, Ghost, he won't kill me. He won't kill me, I beg.
Osas, what is it?
Oga, na Ghost.
Are you alright?
I beg, not kill me. I go send him the message. I beg.
What is wrong with you? Why are you screaming, Osas?
Oga. Oga, Ghost.
Ghost?
Yes.
Ghost? Where?
Oga, now we are go buy your range. Now the ghost come say he won't send me message. On top of the message when I go, he say make I send his son.
His son?
Yes.
Did he tell you his name?
Oga, if I you go wait. I don't wait to listen to Ramo. Before you know it, now I don't run with all my strength. Even as I run, I run past Osebo to where they trade. And now, the money I want to pay for the orange is all lost. Oga, I beg, you feel borrow me 100 naira.
Are you stupid?
No, sir.
We don't get out of here!
Get out! Oga, Ghost! Oga, Ghost! Oga!
I'm not here to buy anything. I'm looking for the owner of this place, Mr. Chuka.
Mr. Chuka? Yes. I've not heard of that name before. But hold on, let me find out.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, Chino, where are you? Come
don't show. Hey, over there, daddy. Worry, I don't show. Yeah. I pray, fast shop. Eh, God, I don't show. Now you be Godfather. Devil na area boy. I beg, you know as you take chase, devil go one side, demons go one side. Make you shift devil, shift the other demons. Make only we just eat our food. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Ah! He don't come on! He don't come on!
If you don't eat my food, finish you.
Oga, what are you doing here? Since when did my sitting room become your duty post?
Oga, that ghost when I tell you say, I see the day I go message. When God send me message, inside the same message. Make I send the song. He did the compound. Hey.
This compound?
Oga, life goes in the spirit. Now did the compound. Hey. Hey.
Osas,
Oga,
come with me.
Okay.
Osas, come with me.
Oga, I'm there behind you. I won't there with you.
Let us go.
Oh yeah, now, Oga.
Let us go.
Oga, together. Together.
Osas.
Oga.
Osas.
Oga.
Osas.
Oga, let go. If you don't eat my food. If you don't eat my food.
Osas.
Oga.
Where?
Yeah. You know they see my food. Eh? Now yeah, just there. I don't pray finish, make I eat the food. Now in the man answer me, amen.
It seems you've started taking drugs, right?
No.
Osas, you've started taking drugs.
No, Oga, I know they take drugs. You know I be they take before, but I don't stop. Now food I be say make I go eat.
Will you shut up? Shut up! Now go and eat your food. Go and eat your food! What nonsense!
Oh God. I don't even know whether I don't poison the food though. I don't eat. My testament. All die and die. I shop my food. I don't trust that ghost. I don't trust her. Anywhere where you there, anywhere where you there, if I don't eat, I won't die. My blood go to your head. You go see her. If I leave this up, boy, no get shot. Oh, I know they eat again. I know they. I say I know they eat. I don't trust you. It will be sweet, oh. Sas, come on for the food. They don't poison her. Come on. Oh, this one pay me.
Are you saying he left no forwarding address? Nothing to get hold of him?
No, but I think you should go and come back on Monday.
Hey.
I will ask around.
You don't understand. I don't have all the time. Eh? Maybe you should check your records. I mean, receipts, documents, anything. Anything to get his contacts from, please.
Documents? Yes. I'm coming. Let me check.
Ah, God bless you. God bless you, my child. God bless you.
Yes. I copied it out for you. I think you can find the address from there.
God bless you. You have a good heart. God will continue to bless and multiply you. Thank you.
You are welcome. You are welcome.
would have investigated this issue because no one makes up such a story.
No, not in Osa's case. He's always so dramatic and sometimes acts stupid. You can never know when he's serious.
Well, in every stupidity, there is seriousness. Maybe he is seeing things.
I don't believe him. Besides, I don't believe in ghosts. It's just a myth.
If you believe in what your wife is telling you, it means it truly exists.
Listen, here is the right time for jokes. Now, tell me what you saw.
Okay, Oga, I go tell you. The other day when Asima go
Osas!
Oga.
We are not talking about the other day. Just go straight to the point.
Okay. Oga, straight to the point. The ghost there, the day when I go message, now he go tell me say, me and the work for his son. Say he won't send me message. Inside the message when I go, make I go send the son. I come tell her say, no, not be me kill you, not be me kill you. And the man fine.
So you mean you are being haunted by a ghost?
Okay, exactly. Now you dey understand me.
It's alright, you can go.
Okay, it's alright, I can go. Just like that.
What else do you expect? Do you want me to carry you? Return to your duty post, my friend.
No, Oga, at least if na anointing oil, holy water, or native shock, you give me now.
Osas, leave this place!
Oga, if you dry pepper, you no wan give me. Oga, if I die, my blood go dey your head. If I die, make God no kill me.
But the mountain of Azara, no one goes there and comes back alive.
My father did. He came back alive.
That's impossible. I can't believe it. Do you have evidence of his visit?
Yes.
Where did you get that?
Do you know what it is?
This is a potent charm that is reputed to bring the dead back to life. How did you get it?
Alichi, Namdi. We need to return it to the mountain of Azara. Please, we came here to seek your help so that you can show us the way and give us directions. Please.